as I said, lit only by candlelight, and someone has the full-time job here at the Glow of actually looking after that, because remember, 1613, fire. Never forget. Yeah. Now, your tickets that you got today for the Glow tour also entitle you to the exhibition space or mezzanine space. So to get to the exhibition, what you can do is see. Oh yeah, the piazza is actually open, so you can go out across the piazza through the iron gates, and you just go left a little bit, and you're back at tour point where I think you started just earlier, and then it says guided tours. Someone in there will show you where to go to the exhibition, which is really a fun little exhibition that you can see as well. On this level, you have lots of bathrooms, you have a cafe down there, and a gift shop. And everything in that gift shop has been designed by somebody that works here, so it's fantastic. You can take a picture with yourselves on that chair, which is a recreation of the Westminster chair, the coronation chair at Westminster Abbey. That's about it, everyone. Just remember, we are a non-government sponsored charity, so we do welcome donations, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, thanks very much. I'll just linger here for a couple more minutes, so if you've got any questions, you can have a quiet word with me if you wish to. So,
to my far left and your far right is our sound monitor theatre. That is our indoor theatre. It looks like
of Shakespeare's original Glow. What that is a reconstructed, archetypal, early Jacobean indoor playhouse. In other words, an early indoor theatre, lit only by candlelight. And it is
I'm going to grab some cartridges down here and head over there. If you could put your receivers in one of the